Hello everyone, I am Nazia Shaheen Ansari and today I am going to share with you the details and finding of an interesting experiment that was done in 1970s at Stanford University's nursery school. Over 500 kids were enrolled for that experiment where the researcher gave few marshmallows to each kid and told them that he had to step out for 15 minutes, and all those kids who will not eat any of the marshmallow for the 15 minutes or until he returns, they will get few more marshmallows. So basically the idea was either one small treat now or two small treats later. When the researcher left the room and kids were left alone with the marshmallows they could not eat, very interesting scenes were recorded. And all the kids were trying to put all the delay strategies they knew. Few of them were smelling the marshmallows, few of them were staring at them, few of them were pulling their own hair. But it was quite evident that kids were having real hard time to resist the gravitational pull of temptation. By the time the researcher returned, he noticed that on an average, kids were waited for maximum 3 minutes. And only 3 out of 10 kids were able to delay their gratification or waited patiently until he returned. At that time, he concluded that experiment with this fact and a simple note that willpower was on short supply. But what happened afterward is something interesting to know. This researcher's 3 daughters were enrolled in the same school one after the other. And during his discussions with his daughter, out of curiosity, he wanted to know what those kids were doing who took part in the experiment, and he came to know that those kids who showed high level of willpower were doing better, a lot better. In 1982, this researcher started to systematically track down the original subject. He sent a lot of questionnaires, requested for transcripts, and collected some more data. And for the next 30 years, he and his colleagues continued to publish paper on the success stories of all those students who were able to show high level of willpower and were able to delay their gratification. According to those research and data, those students were either top scorers in SAT exams or pretty high caliber executives or people with very high self-esteem, whereas the low delayers were either drug addicted or people of very low self-esteem or doing something that was not worth mentioning. Then he concluded that experiment once again with the note that the conclusion was not that simple, that willpower was on short supply. The real conclusion of that experiment is willpower and patience has deep connections with our future. And willpower brings its fruits only when it is put into actions. This is the story of Austrian American psychologist Walter Mischel, who used to work at Stanford University and is known in the history for this experiment called Stanford Marshmallow Experiment. So my dear fellows, the man who put 40 plus years in concluding one experiment is trying to teach us what? When your mom told you good things come to those who wait, she was not kidding. Thank you very much.